Hello and thank you for watching this video from AdSeries ERP. We offer full end-to-end licensing, implementation, and post-implementation support for AdSeries D2C solutions. AdSeries ERP is a premier Acumatica partner with deep experience helping D2C companies who are looking to directly connect with their customers either by way of straight distribution or manufacturing. In today's video, I want to show you how to quickly create a new stock item inside Acumatica. So I have Acumatica open through my web browser. I could go and search for stock items and go to our stock item process under inventory. Under stock items, I get the chance to see all of my items here. I could go ahead and search for items if I want by this sub search within my stock items list view, or I could simply create a new item by selecting the plus icon. I'll select the plus icon here, which will take me into a blank stock item screen, and I could now enter my new inventory item. Let's say I'm entering a pipe, and I could put pipe 123 as my new item number. Whether this item is going to be active or inactive, I'll keep it active. I could put pipe for heating line here, and after the description I could add this and put this into a product work group, or assign this to a product manager. Now into my general tab, I could assign an item class. An item class, and this functionality is very helpful, is I could select an item class, and all the default attributes of the item class will carry forward into the stock item card. So there's less information I can fill out, and I can quickly create this item and use it for other parts of the system, such as sales orders or purchase orders, without having to worry about every single field. So let's say I'm going to go through here, find which stock item this belongs to. Let's say this is an industrial equipment item here. And you'll notice, as soon as I selected the item class, a lot of the other fields defaulted in automatically into my stock item. You'll also notice my unit of measure is filled in. The unit of measure is important because the system will know how this item will be stocked, sold, or purchased. You can also have conversion factors for this item set up. As I go through the rest of the tabs here, we can then identify any price classes this item needs to be in. What is our default price for this item? Let's say it's $50 per piece. If there's an MSRP, a minimum markup, I can see my cost statistics, what my average cost is, what my last cost is of this item. If I'm manufacturing this item, if there's a bill of material associated to it, which warehouses is this item associated to. And I can go into the vendor tab actually, and in the vendor tab I could put a default vendor that I'll be buying this from. So when I run my replenishment processes, I could see the system will suggest to me which vendor to purchase this particular item through. So I'll put this item in here, or this vendor. I could add some default planning options if I want. Attributes are user-defined fields. Packaging, how do we package this? If there's any cross-references, I could add that in here. Replenishments, so how do we replenish this? Do we want to put a safety stock in here, reorder point, max quantity, so on and so forth. And there's GL accounts here. So what GL accounts are we going to hit when we go ahead and transact with this item? So we have our inventory account, our reason codes, our sales accounts, our COGS accounts, our accrual accounts. They're all listed here and could be set up, and your specific GL accounts could be assigned at this level. If there's any type of pictures or any other type of documents that you wanted to add, you can simply select the files option up here in Acumatica and add a link or add a file quickly so all the users in the system can see this as well. Once you have this all defined and it's ready to go, we'll click save, and now this item's available to use inside Acumatica. If I escape back out of here and I go back to my stock item list and I just search pipe, we'll see pipe 123 is here for me to review, and it's part of my system. Part of my item master. Now I can use this on sales orders and purchase orders inside Acumatica. I hope you found this video helpful. If there's any feedback, anything additional within this topic that you would like to know further, please drop a line in the comments below. I'd love to go ahead and expand on this. Thank you for watching today.